Hello, how are you? I'm Emma, I'm an artist, and today I'm going to help you with a workshop that's all around the theme of curiosity. Now, when I thought about curiosity, the first thing that I thought about was Curiosity, the Mars rover, the little kind of craft that went to Mars, landed, and has been exploring the landscape for the last 10 years. So, we send quite a few little rovers and spacecraft up to Mars to look at the atmosphere, look at the surface of the planet, and to try and work out what went on there and if there were any signs of life. What do you think? Do you think there was life previously on different planets in the solar system? Do you think there were aliens? Or are we all on our own on planet Earth? Well, anyway, it's amazing to think that little rovers and explorers like this are up there now, exploring the Martian landscape and sending back amazing photos. If you've not seen any, Google some of them online. Look for pictures of Mars, okay, from Curiosity rover. Right, so artists have also been kind of curious about space for many, many years. And some artists, famous ones, like David A. Hardy, have been painting pictures about what they think space looks like from different planets for like 60 or 70 years. So we're going to have a go at doing our own Martian or space landscape today. And we're going to be using lovely, colourful chalk pastels. Okay? So I'm going to point my camera down here so you can see how we're going to do it. Okay? Let's go. Right, here we are. So we're starting off with a piece of black paper because space is pretty black, isn't it? It's a good starting point. Now what we're going to make is we're going to make a mask. Not a mask for our faces, but a mask for our chalk pastels. So I'm going to draw a wiggly line on here of what I think maybe a landscape might look like. This is all rocky and craggy. And then if I get my scissors and cut it up, you will end up with two pieces of paper, yeah, that fit together like that. And then if you pull them apart, you can decide one of them is going to be the landscape for your planet. Now I'm going to go traditional. Mars is known as the red planet, isn't it? So I'm going to use some reds and I'm going to use some oranges and I'm going to start adding my chalk pastels on. You can use them side on or point on, up to you. There we are. Some nice orange Martian landscape. It looks a bit scratchy though, doesn't it? And a bit rough. So you can either use your finger or you can use a tissue and you can gently rub it and it'll blend it together. There we are. Blending oil pastels is always nice. And because we've got this piece of card here, this mask, when I take it away, aha, you've got a nice landscape. And it's quite neat, isn't it? Nice neat line like that. So now maybe we'll add some planets that we can see in the sky. So maybe not like our moon, but maybe we'll use some different colours and some different shapes. I've got a circle here. Again, we can use it as a mask. And put some chalk around it. Again, use your finger. Maybe we need some, I don't know, intergalactic dust going across it as well. That looks quite cool. Should we take off the mask? Have a look. Ooh, that's nice. You could use different shapes though. I've got a circle and I've torn it in half. Maybe we could just have like a huge planet rising up over the horizon. Should we do this in, what should we do it in? Purple? Yeah, let's add some purple. There we are. I'm going to smudge this again. Let's take away the mask, see what that looks like. Oh, pretty cool, coming up over the landscape, over the horizon. So, if you've got some fixative, you can spray that. It stops your chalk being so smudgy. If you know a grown-up who's got some hairspray, you can use that as well. And then, I think all we need to do is to add some exploring craft. So I've got a little picture of the Mars rover here. Maybe I'll put him, what do you think? Right up on the top of the hill, or maybe down in the bottom of the valley, and he's exploring, taking photos and sending them back to Earth for us. But have some fun designing your own lunar craft if you want to, or your own spacecraft that's going to land on the Mars planet, or whatever you call your planet. Maybe you need to think of a name for it. And you could design your own. You could add some aliens, or you could keep it factual with a real rover like that. So, have fun with your blending, have fun choosing your colours and making your new world and maybe your new solar system. Okay, see you later. Bye.